magic, A plus B, X.
A plus X.
Key in the X, key in the Y, no need to stress.
No need to stress.
Vaka yonk into, now press AC to store.
Press the store.
Now press AC to store. Hit shift and 1, we opening the door.
Opening the door.
The data is locked, safe in the brain.
Safe in the brain.
Now let's extract the numbers and break the chain.
Go to option 5, that's reg for the win. Reg for the find the A and the B, let the regression begin. Regression begin.
All the strength, correlation is tight.
It's tight.
Least Squares Regression Line, shining so bright.
Shining so bright.
A, B, A, B, X, write it down right now.
Write it down right now.
Don't forget option 4, that's for on the dial.
For on the dial.
Standard deviation for X and Y, making us smile.
Making us smile.
Need to plot the line, here is the golden key. Need to plot the line, here is the golden key.
The golden key.
It passes through the mean point, listen to me.
Listen to me.
X bar and yaw bar, get them from option 4. X bar and yaw bar, get them from option 4.
Option 4.
Plot that mean, coordinate, then draw it for sure.
Draw it for sure.
The mean of X,
X bar.
the mean of yaw.
E bar.
The line goes through it, don't ask why.
Don't ask why.
Calculate your A, calculate your B.
Calculate your B.
That's the equation of the line, guaranteed.
Guarantee.
Go to option 5, that's reg for the win.
Reg for the win.
Find the A and the B, let the regression begin.
Regression begin.
Get the R for the strength, correlation is tight.
It's tight.
Least Squares Regression Line, shining so bright.
Shining so bright.
Mode stat 2. Press AC shift 1, shift 1.
Hi guys, welcome to another lesson of the Daily Dose of Mathematics. Today we are doing exam questions for scatter plot.
Yeah.
It is going to take us through everything that we are going to be doing today. What is it that we are looking at today?
So then metric, today we are dealing with the CAPS lesson plan of grade 12 mathematics. Now, so then on today we are going to be back and focusing on this CAP curriculum outcome. The Bivariate data exam synthesis or and trial NSC practicing it.
Okay, so we're looking at the trial, how do they assess in the NC paper? No?
Yeah. So then we have the solve comprehensive NSC examination questions, combining scatter plot, least square regression, correlation coefficient, and residual analysis. So then we're going to evaluate the outlier influence and interpret shape B and intercept A in real-world economic scientific context. Master high mark paper 2 Bivariate Statistics problem-solving strategies. Yeah, that's what I'm focusing on.
Okay guys, basically we are going to say, remember, why are we using scatter plots? Scatter plots, we're trying to check if there's any relation in our data. No? And then this one is the one that is going to be most used in our real life situations. No? Because you find, which as a learner, you might be looking at your marks. Let's say you wrote, remember, if you're in grade 12, you write a test in March.
Yep.
You write a test in June, you write a test in trial. Like there are so many tests that you're going to be writing. No? If you are a maths learner, you might be interested in comparing your maths marks and physics marks. You can do that and check if there's any correlation. Then when we do that, we can then try to say, can we predict, let's say you see your marks on trial, let's say you got physics 42, no? And then there's a correlation, the R is strong. You can start to predict, oh, if I got 42 here, it means I might get 87 here. So that's why that's why it's very important for us to know something about the correlation coefficient and the scatter plots. No? Now, remember guys, at the Daily Dose of Mathematics, we have this song, guys. This song is nice. It's fire, this one, because we're telling learners how to use the calculator, which option to choose on their calculator, and then how to store the data. So this one is covering almost everything, how to get the A, how to get the B. And then I'm still waiting for you guys to put those songs there in YouTube. I don't know when it's going to do it, but the task is still there.
The YouTube and the Spotify. Okay, yeah. Noted. Still on the part.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go to the question.
Okay, so then our first question for today, we're gonna be check on this one. Okay, it says a company analyzes monthly investing expenditure in thousands. That's what we must consider. In thousands. versus sales revenue in thousands also. So then our X is in thousands and then our Y is also in thousands over 8 months.
Yeah, okay. Guys, these are the questions similar to the question that we did yesterday. No? Why are we focusing on these questions? This is where they try to catch learners because on the table, they don't give it to you in thousands. Okay?
Yeah.
They just give it to you in units, but whatever it is that you need to understand is that each and every value that is there is multiplied by 1,000. So when what you see there is not the true value. Right?
Yeah.
And then most of the time, when we get our formula, we get it according to the table, not in the true value, which is the thousands. Right?
Yeah.
So if a learner wants to get the true equation,
Yeah.
they need to multiply everything by 1,000, which is going to make your data to be a little bit ugly. It doesn't look beautiful, and then you can make mistakes. That is why they simplify them and make them to be units.
Okay.
Okay. What is the first thing that we are doing then, E2?
So then the first thing we are doing, we must determine the equation of the least square regression line, which is y is equal to a plus bx.
It's y cap. We spoke about it yesterday. It's
The
not
y
fine.
cap. The y cap. Okay. On the bargain, on the thing, but the question thing, they didn't give us the y cap, so that's why I didn't include the y cap.
Okay, you have a question paper today because after that, guys, we're going to do. You said you are doing question paper 2020.
2025.
2025. Yeah, we're going to do the 2025 final question paper after doing this one.
Yeah.
So you can go to the question paper 2025 and just show them the formula. Where do we get it? Because I think it's also important for learners to know where to identify this thing.
Okay, so then let's check our question paper and then go to the formula sheet thingy. Not formula sheet, formula sheet. Sheet. Okay, the formula sheet. Okay, so then let's look for the thingy. You must find it. Go y. Y is equal to something. Hey,
Yeah, it's somewhere there at the bottom.
Yeah, I'm lost.
Where are you?
Yeah, I'm on the. Oh yeah, here it is.
It's remember this. Amasters formulas they are at the bottom. No? There's this one like which we don't even use them, but they are there. Yeah, but before we had a calculator, we used to calculate these things. So they gave us all those different formulas. If we wanted to get A, it used to be a long process, but now we don't have to do all those things. So what do you say? It says what?
Y cap.
Highlight it if you can.
Yes, highlighted.
Okay, so it's y cap
Is equal to a plus bx.
it's a plus bx. You don't try to be a hero, guys. You copy it exactly the way it is, and then you're just going to use it. You can copy it because when you're going to be using it that side.
Yeah.
So that now you don't make mistakes. You also don't try to be a hero.
Okay. So then let us go to our thingy, which is our smart notebook thingy.
Okay.
Yes. So then here's our smart notebook.
Yeah.
We are firstly starting by determining the equation of the square regression line, which is the formula.
Yeah. So this formula needs us to know what is A again.
Yeah.
It also needs us to know what is B.
Yeah.
So we need to know what is A.
And
We also need to know what is B. Okay, sure. With that being said, then we can start with the job.
Yeah.
We spoke about this yesterday, which is, since we're in grade 12, we're doing stats, we're going to give the job to Casio calculator.
Yeah.
And then it's going to do everything for us. Now we're just going to sit back and then allow Casio calculator to do everything. I wish we can have an app whereby you'll just, but it's not going to work because on exam they're not going to allow you. But you just give it the question and say, hey, do it. I'm tired, man.
She did the exam,
You say, right. Like I'm thinking with maybe in the future, they will assess us, and then each and everyone will come with their own AIs, and then like you will have to pass with your AI, like which you will fail with your AI. If your AI is dumb,
you're going to fail. Okay, sure. So then we are gonna put in our information again. Remember, what do we need? We need mode.
Yeah.
Mode is stats, which is option 3 in my calculator.
Yeah.
And then we are not focusing on the grade 11, we're going focusing on the grade 12, which is A plus B.
Yeah.
Which is option 2.
Sure.
So then when we substitute this thing, do we substitute them with their zeros, or do we just substitute them?
What did they give us in the table?
They give us, in the table, they give us
What is x?
our x, the first x is 3.
Huh?
The first x value is 3.
Yeah, so we're going to type them exactly the way they are. Yeah.
3
Yeah.
is equal to
Yeah.
4
Mm-hmm.
is equal to
Yeah.
6
Yeah.
is equal to
Yeah.
7
Yeah.
is equal to
Yeah.
9
Yeah.
is equal to
Yeah.
10.
So when they say 9, they say 9,000.
Yeah.
When they say 10, they mean 10,000. Okay, yeah.
10 is equal to
Yeah, 10,000.
12
12
is equal to 15 is equal to
the spending is equal.
Yeah, then we're gonna press the downwards arrow,
Yeah, takes you up, no?
go to the right, and then we have 25 equaling to, and then we're gonna have 30
Yeah.
equaling to
30,000 that one, huh?
40
Yeah.
equaling to,
Yeah.
and then 48
Yeah.
equaling to
Yes.
55
55,000, yeah.
equaling to
Yeah.
62
Yes.
equaling to
Yes.
70
Yes.
equaling to,
Yes.
then we have 85,
Yeah.
which is equaling to.
Sure.
Yeah, we have the data now. We're gonna save it with AC.
Yeah. So we save it on AC, no?
Yeah. So remember, in this one we are determining the equation of the square regression line. So
Yes.
then we are gonna go to stats mode, which is shift option 1.
Yeah.
And then we are not focusing on grade 10 and 11, we're focusing on 12, by which we are going to go to rec.
5, yeah.
Rec is 5. Then we're gonna have option 1, which is A, which is equivalent to, our A is 10,6.
Okay, let's write it down. So it's A is equivalent to 10.
A is equivalent to, okay,
10.
let me bring back the smart notebook so that people can see. A is equivalent to
Yeah.
10, comma, what was it, 10,6 man? 10,64.
10,64, okay. 10,64, okay, sure. That's A, no?
Yeah, that's A.
And then B. Remember, good practice, guys. You first write the values. You write A, and
Yeah.
then you write B. Yeah, what is B?
Then we have our B. We're gonna go back to our calculator thing now.
Yeah.
So our calculator. So on our calculator, we're gonna do a be like AC, and then we say shift 1, rec, remember,
Yeah.
and then this option 2, which is B, and then our B is equivalent to 4,998, but then that means it's gonna be 5.
It's 4,998.
998.
4,998. So it's 4,5.
No, it's not 4,5.
Yeah, it's 4. It's 4. It's 4,
It's 5. It's 4,998. That means it's gonna be 5.
4,998. So you say if I round off this one, it gives me 10.
5.
Round off this one, it gives me 10.
10.
Okay, so it's 5,00. Rounded off to 2 decimal places. Okay, you can put it at 5.00.
Can just say 5, Mas.
Yeah, you can say it's 5. Yeah.
Yeah, we have 5.
Okay.
And then now we have A.
Therefore, that filling.
We have, yeah, the filling of therefore. We have A and B. Can say therefore our Y cap is equal to 10,64 plus 5bx. 5bx. Where did this thing get bx? The formula is not bx. It's x. Oh, I said b. Oh, it's x. 5x. Yeah, it's 5x.
I know it's E2, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, you know it. It never changes.
Okay, so it's 10,
It's 10,64 plus 5x.
plus 5x. Okay, sure. What we're going to do now, guys, is to dance a little bit and then take the following into our senior marker. No?
Yep. Yeah, it always does some errors.
Let's dance.
La la la, grab your calculators, clear the screen.
Clear the screen.
We dealing with Bivariate data, keeping it clean.
Keeping it clean.
Press mode, press stat, it's time to play.
Time to play.
Let the calculator do the work today.
Work today.
Option 2 is the magic, A plus BX.
A plus X.
Key in the X, key in the Y, no need to stress.
No need to stress.
Vaka yonk into, now press AC to store.
Press the store.
Now press AC to store. Hit shift and 1, we opening the door.
Opening the door.
The data is locked, safe in the brain.
Safe in the brain.
Now let's extract the numbers and break the chain.
Go to option 5. That's rec for the win. Rec for the find the A and the B. Let the regression begin. Regression begin.
All the strength, correlation is tight.
It's tight.
Least Squares Regression Line, shining so bright.
Shining so bright.
AB, ABX, write it down right now.
Write it down right now.
Don't forget option 4, that's for on the dial.
4 on the dial.
Standard deviation for X and Y, making us smile.
Making us smile.
Need to plot the line, here is the golden key. Need to plot the line, here is the golden key.
The golden key.
It passes through the mean point, listen to me.
Listen to me.
X bar Y bar, get them from option 4. X bar and Y bar, get them from option 4.
Option 4.
Plot that mean coordinate, then draw it for sure.
Draw it for sure.
The mean of X,
X bar.
the mean of Y.
E bar.
The line goes through it, don't ask why.
Don't ask why.
Calculate your A, calculate your B.
Calculate your B.
That's the equation of the line, guaranteed.
Guarantee.
Go to option 5, that's rec for the win.
Rec for the win.
Find the A and the B, let the regression begin.
Regression begin.
Get the R for the strength, correlation is tight.
It's tight.
Least Squares Regression Line, shining so bright.
Shining so bright.
Mode stat 2. Press AC shift 1, shift 1.
Guys, this song is fine. Just comment, guys. If
Marking
this song is
breakdown.
fine. This one is
Correct.
fine.
A,
this one
Y
is fine.
intercept. A equals 10, 64. Calculated accurately from the new dataset. A, standard equation structure. Therefore, hat Y equals 10, 64 plus 5x. You correctly assembled the linear regression equation using formal caps notation, hat Y, and decimal commas. Incorrect, needs attention. Rounding precision for B. Your calculated gradient B equals frac 4618, 924, approximately 4, 9978. Rounds off to 500. In CAPS examinations, unless stated otherwise, all statistical values must be rounded to 2 decimal places. Writing 5 instead of 500 can cost you the mark for B on a strict national memo. Socratic guidance. Take a close look at how you wrote your final value for B. What is the standard CAPS rule regarding decimal places for final answers in grade 12 paper 2 unless specified otherwise? If your calculator gives B equals 4, 9978, how should you write this number explicitly to 2 decimal places so the examiner knows you applied correct rounding rules rather than truncating it? Coach's summary. What you did well: spot-on calculation of A equals 10, 64 for the new dataset, and fantastic use of the hat notation, hat Y, for regression models. Actionable tip for exam readiness. Always write values that round to a whole number with 2 decimal places. E.g., write 500 instead of 5, to guarantee full marks under CAPS marking guidelines.
Okay, E2 we're continuing.
Yeah.
So E2 did 5 instead of 5.00.
Yeah.
So we're learning, guys. Some of the things here we'll be learning them. Next time we don't do them again. So as we prepare for our exams, we make sure that we take whatever advice that the senior marker is giving. Remember, the prompt that is used on the senior marker is to make sure that it mimics whatever it is that they're going to be doing at the examination center. No?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll go to the next question.
Because the next question, which is B, says predict sales when advertisement spent is 8,000.
Okay, we spoke about this even yesterday, right? What's wrong with this thing here? What will happen if I take the 8,000 and substitute it on the formula? Am I going to be correct or wrong?
It will give us a wrong answer
It's going to be a wrong answer. Why is that?
because our formula is not in 2000s, it's
In units.
in units.
Yeah, but when they gave us the advertising in what? In thousands.
Yeah, which is well noted. That means if you want to put the 8,000, you must multiply your formula with 1,000, everything, A and B.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay. So we can do it into options, as it is saying. We will check that. We'll prove that. I've never tried that before, so we'll just prove it. I know which one thing that I know, which I can start from the table above and put it in thousands. I'm not sure if it's going to give me exactly something like this. I've never tested that. So when your conjecture is saying if we multiply this formula by 1,000, we're still going to get exactly the same
Yeah,
thing.
we're gonna get the same class,
Okay.
same thing.
We'll try it. Okay. So let's divide the 8,000 by 1,000. Guys, remember I didn't say that. It who said that. We are going to prove it is a conjecture.
Yeah.
So we'll just prove it after this. If we get the same answer, then we'll make a conclusion.
I
to
don't know,
say,
but this is correct.
okay. You trust yourself.
Yeah, trust myself on this.
Yeah, one thing that we cannot do is to put the 8,000 on the unit. That one we can't do. We know for sure. Okay?
Yeah.
So let's do the right thing then. We say divide by 1,000 and then it gives us 8. Okay?
Yeah, according to my calculator, it's gonna give us 8.
Yeah. So
It makes
basically
sense.
they're saying when we use 8 on the formula, when X is 8, okay, we're spending advertising. 8 represents advertising. Okay? Because remember, guys, they can give you the income and ask you about the advertising. In this case, they gave you the advertising. They gave you the advertising. They're asking for the income. So we're going to have y, na?
Y.
Bar,
Y cap.
yeah. It's
Is
going to be
equal to-
equal, yeah.
Come
10
on.
comma
10,64.
10,64, yeah.
10,64
Plus 5 comma
plus
0 0,
5,00,
yeah.
multiplied by 8.
So you're going to get 50,64.
15,64.
50. You can check it, but
5,64.
yeah, 5,64.
5,64 plus 5.
No, that's the final answer. I was giving you the final answer. I mean, I've multiplied the 5 and the 8. Again, if you say 5 multiplied by 8, it gives you 41.
Yeah.
And then if you say 40 plus 10, it gives you 51. And then it's the 6.
50,64. Okay, the memory of the calculator is very appropriate. It's
Yeah,
very
yeah. So
applicable.
you can just double check your answer. And are we getting that thing?
Okay, yeah, it's the correct answer.
It's 10 comma.
It's 50,64.
It's 50 comma
64.
64. Remember, this is not the final answer, okay, guys?
Yeah.
We're still supposed to multiply this by 1,000, okay?
Yeah.
And then we have multiplied by 1,000, we get 50,000.
Multiply by 1,000. Multiply by 1,000.
That gives us 50,614.
Let's do it. Say answer.
Yeah.
Multiply by 1,000.
1,000, yeah.
It's equal to
50.
50,640.
My calculator is working. It's big. 640, okay.
640.
Okay, so we get 50,640. Now, you do made a conjecture, guys. I said I'm not sure. Whatever happens now, it's not me, guys. I didn't say this. It's on it, okay? It said we can start by multiplying on the formula and substitute the 8,000 directly. Now.
Yeah.
So let's try that. So we're going to have, if you multiply, huh?
Y bar.
What?
Y bar.
Yeah, the y bar. If you multiply the first one,
10.
we're going to get 10,640.
Mister?
Again, we are going to multiply the 10 by 640. Or by 1,000, then you get 10,640.
10,640.
640. You can take it in your calculator, just in case the answer doesn't make, so that you don't say my calculator didn't work. I don't want that.
Okay, we have 10,
Comma, is it 64 or 69?
64. It's 10,64.
Okay.
Multiplied by 1,000.
10,640.
10,640.
Okay. Then 5 multiplied by 1,000 gives us 5,000x.
Yeah, plus 5,000
X. Okay.
x.
Now we're going to substitute 8,000 here.
Y bar is equal to
Y bar
10,640
10,640 plus
plus 5,000
5,000 rand
into 8,000.
into 8,000. Yeah, but it's possible. Yeah, it's going to give us the same answer. Because if you say 5,000 multiplied by 8,000, it's going to give us 40,000. And 40,000 plus 10,640. Yeah, it's giving us 50,640. Yeah, guys, let's give the EP a round of applause. Let's clap for EP. I've never tried this, guys. I know I can go straight from the table, and then from there, if I want it in 1,000, it's going to give me my equation in 1,000. Okay, so you have two options, guys. You can convert your formula to 1,000, okay? Or you can convert, and then mine is a little bit longer because you convert back to the formula, to the units, and then you still have to multiply. No?
Oh, wait, say. No. When we are multiplying everything with bargain, with
1,000.
1,000, we have to multiply with y.
We have to multiply even.
Even y. I could have multiplying everything. That means our y loaner must be multiplied with 1,000.
Okay, the y that side, the
Yeah.
y bar.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's going to be 1,000
yeah.
y bar is equal to.
And what did you get that one? You get 10,640
We got a large number.
plus the 5,000 plus
Yeah, but
the 5,000 multiplied by 8,000.
8,000.
It gives you a big number.
give me a big number.
It gave you what?
Give me is it
Hey, okay, guys, let me not interfere here. This was not me.
400?
Oh, it gave us almost 600,000.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's a million, because it was the 0 and the 0, 3 zeros, 3 zeros. It's 40 million, basically.
Yeah. 1 0
I have a
6
calculator malfunction.
40 divided by 1,000. divide by 1,000, by which we're gonna divide our answer with 1,000. Starting to think on my maths, it's gonna be a little bit long.
Oh, you multiply everything by 1,000.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so then we're gonna have our open bracket answer divided by 1,000. Yeah, the answer is wrong.
Yeah?
The answer is wrong somehow.
It's wrong.
Yeah.
Did you do it? But it looks as if it's supposed to be fine, man. Because you are saying it's 10,640 okay?
Yeah.
Plus
640
plus 5,000 multiplied by 8,000.
multiplied by 8,000.
Okay, you get an answer there.
Yeah.
Start there.
Yeah, still the 40 something million what.
Okay, and then you say you divide by 1,000.
Yeah.
And then when you divide by 1,000, it gives you about 500,000.
Yeah.
Does it take you to the 50,000 that we got?
Answer divided by 1,000, it gives me what again? Yeah, nee. It's wrong.
Hey guys, remember, sorry for clapping. I'm taking away my clapping. I'm erasing my clapping. I said I've never done this before.
Somehow I'm gonna prove that I was correct.
Huh?
Somehow I'm gonna prove that I was correct. I'm gonna bring back my thingy.
You what?
Yeah, my bad game, my mess thingy. I'm gonna activate it.
Okay.
There's something I missed.
Okay, guys, remember. Okay, let's stick to the right way that I know that is correct. Okay, calculator, it's in units. You take whatever it is that they gave you, put it in units. Okay, you substitute on the formula that has units. Units and units, they go together. Okay?
Yeah.
After getting the answer in units, you convert it back into 1,000 because they want the answer in what in thousands.
Okay.
We are good, Musna.
Yeah.
So we are going to pack lega it for now. We'll investigate it together and then we'll talk about it.
Yeah.
If it's what seems to be the problem there. All right, let's move on to the next. Oh, we're taking this to the senior mark, huh?
Yeah.
Dance a little bit. And then any comments on the chat so far?
No comments up to so far.
Okay. Please, guys, don't forget to comment, like.
La, grab your calculators, clear the screen.
Clear the screen.
We dealing with bivariate data, keeping it clean.
Keeping it clean.
Press mode, press stat, it's time to play.
Time to play.
Let the calculator do the work today.
Work today.
Option 2 is the magic, A plus B, X.
A plus X.
Key in the X, key in the Y, no need to stress.
No need to stress.
Faka yonk in 2, now press AC to store.
Press the store.
Now press AC to store. Hit shift and 1, we opening the door.
Opening the door.
The data is locked, safe in the brain.
Safe in the brain.
Marking breakdown.
Now
Correct.
let's extract the
N.
numbers
Scale
and
conversion.
break the chain.
Frac 800 1000
Go to option
equals 8.
5.
Correctly converted R8000 to the x-axis scale value, x equals 8. CA, substitution. Hat, y, equals 10, 64 plus 5, 0, 8, equals 50, 64. Correctly substituted x equals 8 into your regression line equation. A. Final calculation. 50, 64, times 1000 equals 50, 640. Accurately converted the predicted y value back into the contextual total sales amount. Incorrect, needs attention. Currency unit symbol. Your final numerical calculation 50,640 is accurate. But because the question asks to predict sales, in monetary terms, CAP's final answer guidelines require the currency unit R to be explicitly stated with the final value. I.e., text R, 50,640 or text R, 50,642, 86 if using exact calculator memory values. Coach's summary. What you did well. Flawless execution. You correctly scaled x, substituted x equals 8 into your linear model, and converted the answer back to full sales figures. Actionable tip for exam readiness. Always write the unit of measurement, such as R for rands, next to your final answer on real-world context questions to secure full marks on official marking memos.
Okay, guys, I think I killed it. I'm the one who made a mistake on the question, but we'll check it. Don't don't try to confuse yourself with that one for now. No? We are going to pack it. I think my calculator malfunctioned a little bit, especially when we're multiplying the 10 multiplied by the 1,000. I made a mistake. I said it's 10,000, so it's supposed to be no. Yeah, it was fine, that one. I didn't. Okay, we'll check it with it. Okay, we are going to move on to the next question.
So you should calculate the R and split if advertising spend strongly drives sales revenue.
So we're trying to check if there's any correlation, yeah? If it's positive and strong. Yeah? Is it a good relation where the body advertise? Are they not losing money? Yeah? The company wants to know that. Yeah? Now remember, the data is already there.
Yeah.
So we just have to go and retrieve it and find it.
I'm gonna say shift.
Yeah.
1. And we're gonna have rec.
Yeah.
On rec, we're gonna press option 3, which is R.
Yeah.
R is equivalent to 0,998.
0,998. This one we don't round it off, now guys. We leave it exactly the way it is, 0,998. Because if you round it off, it's going to give you 1,00, which is perfect. We can't have a perfect correlation. So
R is equal to 0,998.
yeah. So we can check the answer, Manjo. Is it positive or negative, so that we can comment?
The answer is positive.
So it's positive. So we tell them what it's positive, yeah.
It's positive.
And then it's what? Is it weak, moderate, or strong?
Positive strong.
It's going to be strong. Yeah? So we can make a conclusion, which therefore, because of the strong positive correlation, it means which there's a correlation, there's a strong correlation between advertising and what then, and the income that they receive.
There's a strong
correlation. Let me use my fancy English from my model system. Correlation
between
the advertising and the income received.
Advertising between
Yes, advertising and the income received. That's what they were trying to check. Is there any strong correlation?
Advertising and
yeah,
income receipt.
Yeah, sales. In this case, they call them sales.
Income sales. We put this on our senior mark.
Yeah, let's put it into senior mark. Okay, guys. Now let's explain something. You are going to go to the question that they're supposed to do, no? And then while they're doing that question, we are going to be going to the senior marker. When the senior marker is done, then we'll play this that thing. No? But let's give them something to do. You can also take the question and post it on the social media so that they know what is it that they're doing. Yeah, you can do that.
Okay, let's go to our question.
Remember, we don't like quietness here. We want to dance a little bit. As you go to your question, make sure now we are dancing. The rest you can do it.
Okay, let me let you dance.
That's rec for the win. Rec for the find the A and the B. Let the regression begin. Get the R, the strength. Correlation is tight. Least Squares Regression Line. Shining so bright. A, B, A, B, X. Write it down right now. Don't forget option 4. That's for on the dial. Standard deviation for X and Y. Making us smile. Need to plot the line. Here is the golden key. Need to plot the line. Here is the golden key. It passes through the mean point. Listen to me. X bar and yaw bar, get them from option 4. X bar and yaw bar, get them from option 4. Plot that mean, coordinate, then draw it for sure. The mean of X bar. The mean of yaw, bar. The line goes through it, don't ask why. Calculate your A, calculate your B. That's the equation of the line, guaranteed. Go to option 5, that's rec for the win. Find the A and the B, let the regression begin. Get the R for the strength, correlation is tight. Least Squares Regression Line, shining so bright. Mode stat 2. Press AC shift 1.
La, grab your calculators, clear the screen.
We dealing with Bivariate data. Keep
keeping it clean.
Keeping it clean.
Press mode, press stat, it's time to play.
Time to play.
Let the calculator do the work today.
Work today.
Option 2 is the magic, A plus B, X.
A plus X.
Key in the X, key in the Y, no need to stress.
No need to stress.
Vaka yonk into, now press AC to store.
Press the store.
Now press AC to store. Hit shift and 1, we opening the door.
Opening the door.
The data is locked, safe in the brain.
Safe in the brain.
Now let's extract the numbers and break the chain.
Go to option 5. That's reg for the win. Reg for the find the A and the B. Let the regression begin. Regression begin. All the strength correlation is tight. It's tight. Least Squares Regression Line. Shining so bright. Shining so bright.
A, B, A, B, X, write it down right now.
Write it down right now.
Don't forget option 4, that's for on the dial.
For on the dial.
Standard deviation for X and Y, making us smile.
Making us smile.
Need to plot the line, here is the golden key. Need to plot the line, here is the golden key.
The golden key.
It passes through the mean point, listen to me.
Listen to me.
X bar and Y bar, get them from option 4. X bar and Y bar, get them from option 4.
Option 4.
Plot that mean coordinate, then draw it for sure.
Draw it for sure.
The mean of X,
X bar.
the mean of Y.
E bar.
The line goes through it, don't ask why.
Don't ask why.
Calculate your A, calculate your B.
Calculate your B.
That's the equation of the line, guaranteed.
Guarantee.
Go to option 5, that's reg for the win.
Reg for the win.
Find the A and the B, let the regression begin.
Regression begin.
Get the R for the strength, correlation is tight.
It's tight.
Least Squares Regression Line, shining so bright.
Shining so bright.
Mode stat 2. Press AC shift 1, shift 1.
Cinemarker.
Okay, let's play our senior marker.
Marking breakdown. Correct. A. Correlation value and rounding. R equals 0, 998. Since the statement explicitly specified 3 decimal places, your answer 0, 998, rounded from 0, 9,978, is 100% correct and secures the mark. A. Mathematical reasoning. Correctly recognizing that R equals 0, 998 is extremely close to +1. Incorrect, needs attention. Direct answer to question prompt. Just remember to include that explicit yes to directly answer the wording of the prompt. State if advertising spend strongly drives sales revenue. Coach's summary. What you did well. Great attention to detail. Following the question-specific rounding instruction, 3 decimal places, shows high precision. Actionable tip for exam readiness. You nailed the math. Simply pair your numerical work with a direct, yes, sentence to wrap up full marks on 2-part questions.
Okay. Anyone who has a question, so we can check. We can play the song. Just give them more time to try to do that one.
Okay.
La la la, grab your
2025. No?
Yeah.
calculators, clear the screen.
Clear the screen.
We dealing with Bivariate data, keeping it clean.
Keeping it clean.
Press mode, press stat, it's time to play.
Time to play.
Let the calculator do the work today.
Work today.
Option 2 is the magic, A plus B, X.
A plus X.
Key in the X, key in the Y, no need to stress.
No need to stress.
Vaka yonk into, now press AC to store.
Press the store.
Now press AC to store. Hit shift and 1, we opening the door.
Opening the door.
The data is locked, safe in the brain.
Safe in the brain.
Now let's extract the numbers and break the chain.
Go to option 5. That's reg for the win. Reg for the find the A and the B. Let the regression begin. Regression begin. All the strength correlation
down right now.
Write it down right now.
Don't forget option 4, that's for on the dial.
For on the dial.
Standard deviation for X and Y, making us smile.
Making us smile.
Need to plot the line. Here is the golden key. Need to plot the line. Here is the golden key.
The golden key.
It passes through the mean point. Listen to me.
Listen to me.
X bar and yaw bar, get them from option 4. X bar and yaw bar, get them from option 4.
Option 4.
Plot that mean coordinate, then draw it for sure.
Draw it for sure.
The mean of X,
X bar.
the mean of yaw.
E bar.
The line goes through it, don't ask why.
Don't ask why.
Calculate your A, calculate your B.
Calculate your B.
That's the equation of the line, guaranteed.
Guarantee.
Go to option 5, that's rec for the win.
Rec for the win.
Find the A and the B, let the regression begin.
Regression begin.
Get the R for the strength, correlation is tight.
It's tight.
Least Squares Regression Line, shining so bright.
Shining so bright.
Mode Stat 2. Press AC Shift 1, Shift 1.
Okay, guys, as you can hear our banger there, we're going to try to wrap it up. We have how many minutes remaining for our lesson ends?
We have 18.
18 minutes. So let's try to do the one that killed people last year, 2025 final examination. So we're going to try to do this one, and then we'll try to put everything at once in our cinema.
Okay.
Because I think, how many questions do we have here on this one?
We have 4.
4 questions. Okay, we'll do it one by one then. Or we can take 2 and then take the other 2.
Yep.
Okay. Let's go to the statement then, Ito.
Okay, let's check our statement. Statement says, question 1. There were 11 cars of the same model for sales at the car, at a car dealership.
Okay.
The age in years of each car and its corresponding selling price in rands
Yeah.
is provided in the table below.
Yeah.
So then there's the table.
Yeah.
We have age in years and then we have selling price of cars in rands.
Okay. And then the rent is given in thousands. Can you see that? What's different between the one that we're doing and this one? Elena can convert whatever it is that they're given here, and then they can convert it back to, okay, Kana, it's the one, the other one is yes, the other one it's in thousands.
Yeah.
So we're going to leave it exactly the way it is. We're going to try to key in it exactly the way it is. We're not going to try to be heroes. So what is the first question?
Okay, the first question says we should determine the equation of the least square regression line.
For sure now, guys, you know how to determine the square regression line again.
Yeah.
We have y bar on our information sheet. We have y bar, which is a
Yep.
plus bx.
Yeah.
First, we are going to determine what is a again.
Yeah.
Also
So
going
then,
to determine what is b.
that means you're gonna need to collect the data
We
now.
are going to need to key in our data in our calculator. Well, we have to store it so that we can talk about it.
Okay.
It is going to store the data.
So then let's have our calculator and then let us store our data.
Yeah. Remember, start with the step again just to show people who are just coming in now to say, how do we put our calculator in a stat mode?
First, let us set our calculator. Start. Option 3. Then equal to.
Or you clear the data.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we're gonna have mode.
Yeah.
Stat is option 3.
Yes.
And then we are dealing with a plus b, which is option 2.
Okay.
Then we're gonna have 2 equaling to 3 equaling to
Yeah.
3
Yes.
equaling to,
Yeah.
and then we have 4
Yeah.
equaling to,
Yes.
we have 4 equaling to,
Sure.
we have 4
Yes.
equaling to, so we have 3 fours. We have 6 equaling to, we have 6 equaling to, we have 7 equaling to, we have 7 equaling to, then we have 8 equaling to. Let me count on how much digits that's how it have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Let's say you want to delete a data. Let's say you made a mistake on a data. How do you delete it?
You go to the thing and then you say delete.
You go to what?
Like to where you want to delete.
Okay, let's say I want to delete one value. Just show them how to delete one value. Let's say you want to delete the 2. How will you delete it?
The 2.
Yeah, it starts by saying 2, 2. Ne? I want to know, I made a mistake. Instead of 2, it was supposed to be 7. Now I'm looking at the data and then I don't want to start all over again because I don't want to waste time. I'm in an examination. How would I delete only that part, that 2 only?
You go to the 2,
Yeah,
and then you say delete,
okay,
then it's deleted.
okay.
But then the problem is that the marking, the order is not gonna be there.
I'm going to put the one, try to put the one that you wanted to put in.
7. Yeah, and it's gonna start with 7.
It starts with?
So it's gonna start with 7.
Which one did you put delete on? The first one?
Yeah, the first one.
Okay. So you can put it back now. So because actually sometimes when we're working, especially with exam,
The other thing, if you don't want to delete, we can just say 2 on the marking, the one that you want to remove.
On the data, directly on the data.
Where you want to remove, you can say 2,
Okay.
and then say equaling 2.
Yeah.
It's gonna replace 7 with 2.
It changes the other data to the new one.
Yeah.
Okay, those are the skills that you need to know, guys, so that when you get to exam, you don't panic. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put in the other values then.
And let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11, yeah, that's supposed to be 11.
Missing 1 field.
Okay. I think 2 is repeating itself. Go and check 2. Is it not repeating itself to 7?
Oh yeah, they're fine.
They're fine.
The 2 was repeating itself.
Oh, 3.
This thing, I think, don't try to be heroes. Don't just clear everything. Delete everything. Because then it's failing. Yeah, it's failing.
Okay.
It's giving us non-disjunction. It's deleting the data. So then this 2 equaling to 3 equaling to 3
Yeah.
equaling to 4 equaling to 4 equaling to
Sure.
4 equaling to 6 equaling to
Yeah.
6 equaling to 7 equaling to 7 equaling to then 8 equaling to. Then I'm gonna go up to the right hand side. Then I'm gonna see 29,000 3,000 is equaling to 26 5,000 equaling to 256,000 equaling to 2,190,000 equaling to 2,410,000 equaling to 2,460,000 equaling to 2,226,000 equaling to
Okay.
176,000
Okay.
equaling to 154,000 equaling to 180,000 equaling to
180,000.
148,000.
148,000.
Sure, yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah.
Okay, chat, I'm
Yeah.
back.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna say AC.
Yeah.
They said we should calculate what
The A and the B.
the N B. We're gonna say shift to state, which is 1,
Yeah.
and then I'm gonna go to rec option 1. Then our A is equaling to hey lang 33,000 hey lang
It's 3,
331397.
1,397.
Yeah,
Comma.
comma 10
Comma 1.
comma 20. I mean,
Comma 20.
yeah,
Okay, that's A, ne?
yeah.
Let's get the B. You see why we don't want to do it in thousands? The reason why we convert things is because it makes the formulas to be ugly. Like they look scary. In fact,
They look scary. So then we have our A was A is equaling to
yeah.
3313 3 1 3 and 331397 97,20 97,20, and then B, I'm gonna look for a B. So then we're gonna go back to our calculator now. Calculator thing. Then we'll have AC, then shift 1, rec
Yeah.
B equal to it's negative 22988.32.
Negative 2, comma.
Negative 2, no, it's not like negative 22. Negative 22988.
988.
It's like 22,988.
Okay, yeah.
988, comma 32.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, is it comma? Yeah, it's comma 32.
Okay.
But which you're gonna substitute it on our formula, that is y plus bx. Then our a, y cap is equal to our a, which is 3. Hey, long, I'm not gonna call it 397,20 minus 22,988,32 x. This is our equation.
Okay, so we managed to get the equation.
Yeah.
The next question is, remember we said we're going to put two of them at the same time.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the next question?
Next question says, predict the selling price of a similar car at this car dealership that is 5 years old.
So we're given X or Y. That's the question that we need to ask ourselves here. X, this 5 years, is it X or Y?
The yes is X.
It's given as X.
Yeah.
So it means we're going to use exactly the same formula that we're given just to try to get the Y again. So we say everywhere we see X, we're going to put 5 now.
Yeah.
So we have 3, 3, 9.
3, 1, 3, 9, 2, comma 20.
Yeah.
Minus 2, 2, 9, 8, 8, comma 3,
Yeah.
2, multiplied by 5.
Okay, yeah.
Gonna put it on our equation, but we want our calculator.
Yeah.
You have 3, 3, 1, 3, 9, 2, comma 2, 0, minus 2, 2, 9, 8, 8, comma 3, 2, open bracket, multiply by 5, close bracket, by which our y is gonna be 2164. 216, then this 4. Let me check, let me confirm this 450,6. 450.
So if it's 5 years, it's not, it's still expensive. Okay.
So that means you're going to put these two on our senior mark.
Yeah, we're going to take them at the same time and then put them in our senior mark. While you do that, let's dance a little bit. Yeah?
La la la, grab your calculators, clear the screen.
Clear the screen.
We dealing with Bivariate data, keeping it clean.
Keeping it clean.
Press mode, press stat, it's time to play.
Time to play.
Let the calculator do the work today.
Work today.
Option 2 is the magic, A plus BX.
A plus X.
Key in the X, key in the Y, no need to stress.
No need to stress.
Vaka yonk into, now press AC to store.
Press the store.
Now press AC to store. Hit shift and 1, we opening the door.
Opening the door.
The data is locked, safe in the brain.
Safe in the brain.
Now let's extract the numbers and break the chain.
Go to option 5. That's rec for the win. Rec for the find the A and the B. Let the regression begin. Regression begin.
All the strength, correlation is tight.
It's tight.
Least Squares Regression Line, shining so bright.
Shining so bright.
AB, ABX, write it down right now.
Write it down right now.
Don't forget option 4, that's for on the dial.
4 on the dial.
Standard deviation for X and Y, making us smile.
Making us smile.
Need to plot the line, here is the golden key. Need to plot the line, here is the golden key.
The golden key.
It passes through the mean point, listen to me.
Listen to me.
X bar and Y bar, get them
Marking
from option
breakdown.
4.
Correct. A. Question 1.1. Y-intercept. A equals 331, 397, 20. calculated accurately from the dataset. A. Question 1.1. Gradient, B equals minus 22, 988, 32. Calculated accurately from the dataset. A. Question 1.1. Least Squares Regression Equation. Hat, y, equals 331, 397, 20 to 22, 988, 32x. Correctly structured in standard form using proper caps notation, hat, y, and decimal commas. M. Question 1.2. Substitution. Hat, y, equals 331, 397, 20 to 22, 988, 32, 5. Correctly substituted x equals 5 into your regression model. A. Question 1.2. Calculation. 216, 450, 60, or 216, 450, 6. Calculation is accurate. Incorrect, needs attention. Currency unit symbol in 2 decimal places. In question 1.2, the answer represents currency, selling price in rand. Caps marking guidelines require the rand symbol R explicitly written in front of currency values. Currency amounts formatted to 2 decimal places representing cents, i.e., text R, 216, 450, 60 instead of 216, 450, 6. Coach's summary. What you did well. Outstanding precision on the stat mode calculations. Both regression coefficients, A and B, and your substitution step in question 1.2 are 100% accurate. Actionable tip for exam readiness. Whenever working with financial data, always wrap up your final prediction with the R currency symbol and write cents to 2 decimal places. E.g., write text R, 216, 450, 60.
Guys, it doesn't learn. Like when we're dealing with money, we need to put R. Every time when we're dealing with money, you said you love money, but you're forgetting. When we're dealing with money, it needs to have rents. No? Okay, let's finish the last 2 E2 so that we can call it a day.
Okay, so
Are there any questions from the chat so far?
no question up to
Guys, chat, don't be ashamed, don't be afraid to ask questions. Eh?
Yeah.
We are here for that. And then if you have any suggestion, if there's anything that we're doing wrong, just don't hesitate to call us to order, guys.
Okay,
We want the feedback.
so then it says use the correlation coefficient to show whether the prediction made in 1.2 is valid or not.
Yeah.
So then we need our correlation coefficient.
We need our R. Yeah?
That means we need our data then.
So if we have anything strong, we can make a conclusion to say yes.
Okay, we have bargain shift 1, and then we're going to have go to reg R, which is equivalent to
Yeah.
negative
Minus
negative 0.95.
negative 0.95. Remember on the regression song that we had yesterday, ne? It says, remember, what negative doesn't mean what this thing here, it's weak. Ne? It only just gives us the direction. You remember that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I want us to, learning from what the senior Maka has said, again, now we have a tendency of, because we know the maths, we get so excited, which we do the maths, we forget to answer what the question is asking us again. What is it that they're asking us here in this question?
Say well, we should use the correlation coefficient to show whether the prediction made in 1.2 is valid or not.
So we need to tell them, yes, it's valid. You know? Why do we say it's valid? Is because R,
Is because
yeah,
R
is equal to
R is equivalent to
minus
minus
0.95.
0.95
Okay. Now, looking at the direction, would we say it's positive or negative here?
is negative.
So we have R as a negative.
Negative,
Yeah.
strong.
Strong.
Yeah.
So we have a correlation which is negative and what then? And strong. Yeah, so let's try to learn from what our mistakes are. Before we didn't answer the question, you know. So we are learning now. Let's go to the last one.
Okay, the last
Number
one.
4.
Okay, so then our last one says use the answer to question 1.1 to write down the estimated average yearly decrease in the selling price of these 11 cars.
Okay, what are we looking for? The estimated, no? Yeah, estimated what?
Estimated average yearly decreased.
The average yearly decreased. So we're looking for the average yearly what? Decrease. Now remember, they're talking about average again here. And then you have an equation of a straight line, which is y is equaling to mx plus c. Basically, this one is equivalent to y is equaling to mx plus c again.
Yeah.
Where the m is your gradient, no?
Yeah.
And then it's more like you are talking about the average gradient here. That's what they're asking us here in this question here.
Okay.
So we get
Is equal to
is equaling to, so we're going to tell them since b is equaling to minus 22,
22. Minus 22 what?
it's minus 22, it's minus 22, yeah, you can check there.
22. 9, but 988.32.
Yeah, 988.
988.32. Is a gradient in can a gradient be negative?
Yes, if the slope is going down again, so it's decreasing. So we're calculating the average decreasing price, which is decreasing by how much? Right? So if you were to draw a straight line, you remember a straight line, your gradient is going to decrease by exactly the same number. One, we have it's run all over rise. So when you get your gradient, it's rise all over, it's rise all over rise or something like that. So it's decreasing exactly by the same amount. Right? So the same amount that is decreasing by it's minus 22,000, minus 22.
So then this thing decreases by year. It decreases by year.
It decreases by?
Decreases by year.
I don't understand the question.
I mean, like this thing decreases by year.
Yeah, it's in the again, if you buy a car, you need to understand which is going to be decreasing.
Yeah.
So it's decreasing, it's decreasing, it's decreasing, it's decreasing. The other thing that I wanted us to check, let's just check if we can't get the average of x on the calculator, if it's still going to be the same. Because when I see the weight average, my mind first clicks to say, let's go and get the y bar, the x bar. Again, we have the x bar and then we also have the y bar. No?
Yeah.
So now we're going to look for the y bar because we're looking for the money, the y of the money. So if we can't get the same answer, then and then we try to explain what is the difference between the two, if we get a difference between the two. No?
Okay, we say shift 1.
Yeah, and then we choose grade 11 now.
Which is var.
Yeah.
And then our 2 x bar is equaling to...
No, we get y bar. X bar is the years, average of the years. So now we're looking for the average of the depreciation amount. Yeah?
Y bar is 21,000. Hey, long. 218,505. Yeah, you 218545. It's not the same as that one.
It's not the same as that one. Okay, let's go and check. Let's try to compare which one is the difference. What is the question so that learners can know exactly which when do they use, because how are they going to ask the question so that they know, which here they're simply looking for the B instead of looking for the Y bar.
Yeah.
Okay, what are they asking them?
Okay, in this question they say we should
use, you remember, they said use
the answer to question 1.1.
Yeah, so I was using the answer from question 1.1. You see the difference again. They didn't say calculate the mean or the average. They just said use the question of 1.1 again. Yeah.
To write down the estimated average yearly decrease.
Yeah, so this one is a yearly decrease. So we're looking for the average yearly decrease.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so the difference, guys, so that I know the first time when I saw this question, my mind clicked that I need to get the YB, the Y bar. But when you read the question, you start to understand, oh no, here they're just looking for how much does it decrease by this thing each and every year.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the formula can give us that. So we're going to put this last question. I think this is the last time you hear from us.
Yeah.
After that, the senior marker, when he or she finishes, or it's a he,
this one is a he.
Okay, when he finishes marking, we are going to be seeing each other tomorrow, guys. And then tomorrow we're going to be doing everything on statistics grade 11 and grade 12 so that you prepare for your trial examination. Make sure which you tune in, guys. Don't be gatekeepers, just inform others. Those who are attending, just inform others which there is this great channel which is teaching people great mathematics. They have great songs to dance on. They're demonstrating the things that especially like a calculator, because sometimes your teachers actually are using boards. They can't show you exactly how to use the calculator until they come to you. Here you can clearly see it is demonstrating which, okay, this is what you press. You can also go along with that on your calculator.
Okay, now let's play our song and then let us dance.
Yeah.
La, grab your calculators, clear the screen.
Clear the screen.
We dealing with bivariate data, keeping it clean.
Keeping it clean.
Press mode, press stat, it's time to play.
Time to play.
Let the calculator do the work today.
Work today.
Option 2 is the magic, A plus B, X.
A plus X.
Key in the X, key in the Y, no need to stress.
Marking
No need to
breakdown.
stress.
Correct.
Fuck your
A. Question 1.3. Correlation coefficient calculation. R equals -0, 95. Or accurately -0, 9,468. Approximately -0, 95. A. Question 1.3. Validity conclusion. Stating that the prediction is valid because there is a strong negative correlation. R equals -0, 95. A. Question 1.4. Numerical rate of decrease. 22, 988, 32. Correctly identified the absolute value of the gradient B from question 1.1 as the annual rate of decrease. Incorrect, needs attention. Explanation rigor for 1.3. To ensure full marks on a 2-mark CAPS question, explicitly link R equals -0, 95 to its proximity to -1. E.g., valid, because R equals -0, 95 is close to -1, indicating a strong linear relationship. Currency unit symbol for 1.4. In question 1.4, the decrease is a financial value, price in rands. CAPS national memos strictly require the rand symbol. Text R, 22, 988, 32. Writing 22, 988, 32 without R risks losing the final accuracy mark. Coach's summary. What you did well. Excellent conceptual understanding. You correctly recognized that a strong negative correlation makes linear predictions valid and accurately interpreted the gradient B as the yearly decrease. Actionable tip for exam readiness. Always include the currency symbol R when quoting prices or rates of price change. E.g., write text R, 22, 988, 32 per year.
See a bonga for pulling through the lesson. Hope you caught that daily dose of magic. Like the video and leave us